Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up any other web browser from your PC and use the search box and just type in Chrome download on your search box and start your search. From here, just click on the link which says Google Chrome. This will then take you into the Google Chrome website. Go ahead and click on the Download Chrome button, and this will automatically begin your download of the installer. You can also click on the Download Manually button if it doesn't automatically start. Once the setup file is downloaded, go ahead and open up the setup file, and now this will begin the download and installation of the Google Chrome browser on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the process is completed, and once it is done, this will create a shortcut for this browser within your desktop, and you will also find it within your apps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.